Thank you, JB Pharma, for the opportunity to speak on the newer salt army. So the question amongst the foremost question which comes to mind is, what are the benefits observed with sacubitril valsartan in the clinical trials? So this combination is of course called ARNI. So the prospective comparison of angiotensin receptor neprilysin inhibitor, that is ARNI, with angiotensin to determine impact on the global mortality and morbidity in heart failure. This trial was called Paradigm HF, and it was a milestone among itself. It was a randomized, double-blind parallel group, actively controlled, two-arm event-driven clinical trial, which evaluated the benefits of sacubitril valsartan, that is ARNI, in comparison with enalapril in patients of heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, that is less than 40%, and this subset is called HFrEF. This was the largest clinical trial till date in heart failure. It randomized nearly 9,000 patients across 47 countries into two arms. That is after a single blind running period of at least 4 weeks. Sacubitril valsartan dose was 200 milligram twice a day, and enalapril was given in 10 milligrams twice a day. So both were what we call as the guideline recommended doses. So the composite primary outcome was the occurrence of cardiovascular death or a first hospitalization for heart failure. But the trial was also powered to detect a significant difference between the two arms in cardiovascular death as a sole outcome. Remember that the important part was that the trial was halted very early with a mean follow-up of 27 months after reaching the pre-specified primary endpoint of 2400 events. As per the results of the Paradigm HF trial, as compared to enalapril, sacubitril valsartan combination was found to be associated with nearly 20% reduction in the risk of cardiovascular death or heart failure hospitalization. It also caused reduction by 16% in the risk of death from any cause, and 20% reduction in the risk of cardiovascular death itself, and 21% reduction in the risk of hospitalization for heart failure. So what I mean to say is every 1 in 5 patients got a real benefit in reduction of death as well as hospitalization for heart failure.